Want to know how to generate a random integer or generate a random number in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, here you can see our code right here that I have created. So you can just simply copy off or modify this code. So we simply select it by or generate a random code by doing or using the random class. So we create a random object, then call next int 100. Here you can see a random, and then we have called it by using next int with parenthesis 100. So this simply chooses a number between 1 and 100. And that's it. Random numbers are used mostly in games, simulations and testing. It's just a couple of lines and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. So I'll just run this code as well to show you, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.